Nais nyo bang kumita ng pera pero gusto nyo pa rin manatiling full-time sa bahay ninyo? Ito ang kwento ng isang full-time mom pero siya rin ay full-time negosyante.
Hello mga kapuhunan! Welcome to Kawayan, Boracay! My name is Bianca and let me give you a tour inside. Pagpasok nyo dito, surrounded na tayo lahat by kawayan. But let me show you that this is a hidden gem. Pwede din po kayo dito magstay with us sa aming island home called Kawayan Terrace. So welcome to our cafe. This is Coco Cafe. And kung hindi nyo pa natatry, you must try our Puto Bongbong Latte. Sobrang sarap niya. Happy ako na ngayon kayo dumating kasi may weekend market kami dito ngayon sa Hiraya Home Kitchen. So this is one of our local artists, si Dags po. And he actually draws for the shirts that he sells, and these are actually really cool caps na pwede nyo pong bilhin. This is Hello Bye. This is my friend Alfie. And they sell shirts as well.